Hello everyone, welcome to GS Core. I'm Abhishek Saxena. In this session, we'll be talking about the gist of India Yearbook 2024. It's a part of our Prelims Sampurna yearly compilation series. You'll find more subjects as part of this series as well. So, coming to the topic of India Yearbook, the India Yearbook has remained an area for which there is a lack of clarity, both amongst the freshers as well as amongst somewhat senior aspirants. Right. So, through this compilation of India Yearbook 2024, right, we are trying to solve their problems and provide one-stop solution to cover India Yearbook effectively, right? So let's move ahead and see what's in store. So if you look at the India Yearbook, herein I'm not referring to some random yearbook by any publishing agency. I am referring to the volume India 2024, which is a Government of India publication. It is popularly known as in the civil service preparation ecosystem as India Yearbook, right? So if you look at the India Yearbook this year, it is approximately 850 pages, right? And the compilation that we are offering you is a highly relevant and outcome oriented, and it is of only 120 pages. You see, often when we talk about India Yearbook, there are two schools of thought. Either the candidates leave it thinking that it has redundant information, or the candidate who want to study it but can't because of the sheer volume that it has. However, in the examination, easily 5 to 6 questions can be solved using the India Yearbook. So it is very important that these 5 to 6 questions can be handled in a effective manner. Now, why some people think it is redundant? Because a lot of content in the India Yearbook keeps on repeating itself, and to notice the changes is difficult. So these changes is something that makes for the questions, right? So it is these changes which get reflected in the examination in the form of questions, but in a 850 pager, it gets difficult for a candidate. Also, the issue that the candidate faces is the issue of relevance. What is the relevance of India Yearbook if I am studying a particular topic? So through our compilation, the Prelims Sampurna India Yearbook compilation for 2024, we have solved all of these problems, and hence it is indispensable for a candidate to go through it. You see, it is significant not only from the standpoint that it helps us solve questions, even with regards to the redundant information which is available out there as part of various other sources, it can be erroneous. Whereas India Yearbook comes as a Government of India publication, that means it is the official word on things. That means if something is contradictory in India Yearbook and elsewhere, the India Yearbook's opinion will prevail. And hence, it is indispensable for us as part of the civil services ecosystem to have a grip on the India Yearbook. Also for you as candidates to actually study it in a manner that you can solve the questions in the examination. Yes, if you talk about the 850 worder, it gets difficult, but we have solved the problem for you in just 120 pages. I'll tell you more, right? Even if you think this 120 pages are more. Okay. So how to use this compilation. If you look at the usage of this compilation, the entire compilation is into the chapters, which is as per the India Yearbook. Along with the chapters, we have not only mapped the changes, the new information which has been added, from which the questions are generally made. We have also provided the key terminologies and concepts, as well as practice MCQs. These chapters are spread across 7 or 8 units, and you have the MCQs after every unit. So it creates a learning ecosystem wherein you actually go through the information, connect it with concepts and terms, then practice the MCQs, and then complete the learning. So it's a whole process, and that too in just 120 pages. Very crisp, precise, highly exam oriented and result oriented information has only been given. All the clutter and noise has been discarded from the exam standpoint, right? Let me take you further. Take this sample question, which is a part of the compilation. See, what was the Pradhan Mantri Jan Vikas Karyakram previously known as, and what is its primary objective? If you see, the changed info is part of the India Yearbook, and we have meticulously filtered out that information that is relevant for the examination. And it is not just information, it is concepts plus information. So you are never left in the dark that what is it I am studying. It is always in the light of the set concepts. So previously known as Aadhaar Enrollment Scheme, it aims to provide Aadhaar enrollment. Previously known as Midday Meal Scheme, aims to provide nutritious meals. Previously known as Multi-Sectoral Development Program, it aims to develop infrastructure and basic amenities in identified areas. Previously known as Van Bandhu Kalyan Yojana, it aims to ensure holistic development of tribal population. So it is the multi-sectoral development scheme. The answer is C here. Now, just like these, from the changes, what kind of questions can be asked in the examination? At least it will act as a revision tool to actually seal your learning, right? Let me take you through the index and the value addition part that I was speaking about, right? The coverage, if you see, in terms of key concepts, in a point-wise manner, they have been provided in a very crisp form. Also, the multiple choice questions. These are the screen grabs from the original compilation for you to see, right? With very precise information, highly relevant for the exam point of view. Next, let me turn over to the index. So you see, it has the coverage of the chapters which are being provided as part of the original India Yearbook, so that you can better organize your learning, right? So this compilation will not only help you cover India Yearbook faster in a far more effective manner, but would also act as a tool of practice and revision. A download link for the same is available in the description. You can visit that link and download this indispensable compilation. That's all. Thank you.